Bored of seeing the same content on your Snapchat Discover feed? In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Snapchat Discover feed step by step. First, open Snapchat. Swipe right to open the Stories and Discover page. Now, pull down on the screen and release. This refreshes the Discover feed and may show new content right away. If that didn't work, let's fully reset it. Tap your profile icon in the top left, then tap the settings gear icon in the top right. Scroll down and go to App and Privacy. Tap My Privacy and Data. Now select Clear Data. At the bottom, tap Reset Suggested Content. Tap Reset to confirm. Snapchat will close automatically. Open Snapchat again and go back to Discover. Give it a few minutes to reload. Your Discover feed should now be refreshed with new content. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Snapchat Discover feed. Like and subscribe for more. Snapchat tips